So welcome to the non-conventional voiceover of this video. As we go into the pictures here, you'll see the restoration process that took place from us stripping it, putting it into paint, redoing the suspension and so forth. But more importantly, is this a 1.2 million or 1.3 million rand car? As you've been as you've been seeing it being advertised on multiple platforms. In my opinion, if you are going to pay 1.2 million rand for this particular car, you're actually buying a coffin for 1.2 million. You should actually buy two. Maybe that's the reason why BMW made an Evo 1 and an Evo 2. So half your body parts can go into the one Evo 1 and the other part can go into Evo 2, because this car only had a crash rating test of 3. I don't know if it was 3 out of 5 or 3 out of 10, but still it was pathetic at the time. So I don't know why people go so nuts about this particular car. But one thing I can tell you is that it was an absolute pleasure to rebuild the car. So if you're rebuilding a 3 to 5 IS, then you're going to enjoy every bit about it. But at 1.2 million rand, I can get myself an F80 M3, a G80 M3, maybe a second-hand one or one without motor plan or something like that there. But for me, this is not a 1.2 million rand car. The technology is outdated. The car doesn't even make that much of power. This car only dynoed at about 140 horses and 190 Newton meters of torque. It's not even fun to drive. It is absolutely slow. But the one thing that really stands out to me is that people go crazy for this car. The amount of attention that it gets is absolutely bonkers. I mean, people call it a panty dropper. And I looked up the dictionary meaning of kushesh, and there's multiple meanings of it. Some say it's a fast car, some say it's a panty dropper, and so forth. And guys, honestly, if you're gonna think that you're gonna be dropping any panties of this with this particular car, hell no, you're not gonna do that, because most amount of attention comes from men. It's like other men staring, hey, good, nice cow, you know, like that there. So I don't understand where the word panty dropper comes from. I've never seen a woman whistle for me in this particular car. It's more the guys on the streets, they'll whistle and they'll go all crazy. So unless it's a boxer dropper or a jockey dropper, yeah, then that's the case. So is it worth 1.2 million rand or is it worth 1.3 million rand? In my opinion, no. But what it is worth, it's worth the memories that I would pay for. The memories that it brings back for people who have driven these cars and who have passed away and who have liked these cars. Those memories are priceless. And just building this car, I would pay the 1.3 million rand or the 1.4 million, whatever it may be, just to bring back those particular memories. And for me, that was the whole point of this exercise. It was the memories that it brought back when building and putting back each and every component of this particular car. So to those who are purchasing it, are most probably purchasing it because of a dream, because they didn't have it at that point in time and they now can afford it, and it brings back all of those memories. And for that, this car is worth that particular price. Hope you guys enjoyed this particular build, and I'm glad I got an opportunity to build this particular vehicle, a South African icon, and truly one of the more remarkable and incredible builds that has come out from our stable. And I appreciate each and every one of you for subscribing, liking, and watching these videos. Thank you once again. And this video is dedicated to Riaz Alibai, number 47.